minorities is for a certain purpose. But the reason why the constitutional principle is laid down that it has to be only proportional is precisely because the political parties have entered the electoral fray and the electorate has returned them. That balance should not be disturbed. That is the reason why the seats, the Constitution emphasizes in paragraphs D and E that the reserved seats can only be proportionate. However, it creates an exception vis-a-vis the independents joining within that period, right? Now, if that is an exception to the basic principle, and the basis of the principle is the will of the people as expressed in favor of each political party, right? So then it seems to me that on a fair reading of it, the proviso is a proviso and not a substantive.
उस तरह भी ले लें अगर, if I may.
Now it seems to me your position is get me into parliament.
No, my lord, no.
I don't care whether I get in as PTI or as SIC.
My position is simply this.
That seems to be your...
No, my position ultimately is this.
The bottom line as far as you are
Yes, well,
concerned.
because now they're alter egos. The SIC and the PTI are now alter egos. That's the tracing.
That's what you're saying.
That's the tracing my lord was
Mr. Salman,
referring
this is a
to.
very important
Yes,
point.
yes.
The proportional representation is ensuring that people who have won the seats in the system the balance would not be affected.
Yes.
That's why you cannot introduce a third party which never jumped into the election process. देखें ना, बताना समझ नहीं चाह रहे हैं और बल्कि उसका जवाब भी आप दे दें कि suppose SIC is not a political party. Could you just answer this question for us, which is bothering, speaking for myself? My understanding of proportional representation is that it will only go to political parties. They'll get the share which they have earned or what they have won. What happens to the remaining seats? What do you say on that?
Before you answer that, if I may follow up, what my learned colleague is asking, that was a question I've asked, and I intend to ask the other side also. Can form defeat substance?
Yes, my lord.
This is
It cannot.
This is, to me, one of the questions that lies at the heart of the very unusual circumstances of this particular general election.
Absolutely.
Can form defeat substance?
Well, may I respond now?
Now, answer these two questions. And
You don't want to, you following, at least you are following Mr. Faisal Siddiqui in one thing. You don't want to respond to my question.
No, I do, my lord.
So can you, I'll repeat it for you. And please don't interrupt. When the election took place and independents, PTI members, whoever, whatever you want to call them, they got elected. There were two goals before them. Or maybe there were others also. There was a subsisting political party, legally subsisting political party called PTI. There was another subsisting political party which people knew what it was about. There was another subsisting political party, Sunniyat Council, which probably nobody knew about it. I didn't even know this name till later. Maybe others were better informed and they knew about it. Why, when both these political parties were equally placed, if we assume that so then why didn't you elect to go to PTI? Why did you elect to go? Please answer the question.
I will. And I've tried to answer it before. It was the reality of the situation in which we felt that the future of PTI at that point in time was uncertain.
Reality of the situation is not a constitutional or legal answer.
पूछा ना, why did you make this decision?
So legal बात जवाब
No,
पड़ता है.
legal ये था कि we felt that this is equally good. Our position was, and that is what I'm arguing.
You're using word our position, felt,
No, my lord, ask
reality.
me a question.
Why don't you say I
Our
law?
constitutional understanding was that there is no impediment to our joining the SIC, and my lords will decide that question.
Whether it was party decision or it was decision of the individuals.
No, it was a party decision, sir. Why would 87 people join the same SIC on one day? It was the party's decision, and the party felt on a reading of the constitution.
Any minutes of meeting of the party? Who decided it? Whether it's cabinet decided or general council decided? Who decided?
Or that Faisal Saab will be able to provide, and PTI will be able to provide. Aapne sawal pucha hai, I will try and get the document. But what is clear is that 87 elected members who had been declared independent.
आगे बढ़े चल बहुत जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं आगे बढ़े.
जवाब मेरा ये है कि we felt on our reading of
I'm using the word we felt.
on our reading of the constitution, or let me rephrase it, our reading of the constitution position was that there is no impediment to the 87 members declared independent joining the SIC.
Independent by whom?
Was there
By the-
impediment? Was there impediment to join PTI?
This
No,
is the
Mr. Salman, ये तो explanation है.
always
Mr.
a member
Salman,
of
ये
of
Rule
the-
94
of
की explanation
PTI.
आप देखिए
You were never
क्या है.
independent.
Rule
But
94
always
की explanation.
PTI. Your form is, if I understand it correctly, always said you're PTI.
Yes.
So your question of joining PTI, speaking for myself, didn't arise.
So my
ये राजा
Election
साहब,
Commission was pushing you in this direction.
Raja Saab, as I
Quite so, my lord, the
understand,
election commission was not accepting us as
Raja
members.
Saab,
what
as
they
I
say on
understand, you have placed it on record, 2nd February 2024, Election Commission's order
Yes.
declared all of you as independents, and that, speaking for myself, they grossly misinterpreted the judgment of this court,
I agree.
and
I bow.
entirely on that basis, they declared you independent. Why should the people be prejudiced?
Yes.
Because a wrong interpretation of this court. It has to be corrected.
Of the
So
Election
you
Commission.
have to take a clear stance.
Yes, that is what I submitted.
Or
Or
in other words, been a more important issue than
Mr.
this.
Salman,
Or in other words, whether the election commission
My lord, I'm sorry.
In terms of
If I may take that
in
question.
terms of explanation to Rule 94,
Yes, ma'am.
how could you join other party when you had no symbol? And number two, in the presence of the explanation, this case is required to be heard along with that review petition. So that whole scenario should come before this court.
That is for my lords to decide. So my submission is that since we had been declared
No,
independent,
whether my question is whether the election commission has got any power, any authority under the Election Act or rules to declare somebody independent or a party affiliated candidate.
ठीक हो गया.
उनका इख्तियार है?
They took this
नहीं,
position.
एक मिनट, पहले सवाल कीजिए, हाँ या ना मुझे.
Yes, they said Rule 94 empowers them to do that.
इतना आपसे पूछें कि उनके पास कानून में कोई इख्तियार है कि एक शख्स कहे कि मैं पार्टी एफिलेटेड हूँ और वो कहे नहीं 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 आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो, क्या ये इख्तियार है उनके पास?
हमारी नजर में तो गलत था, इसीलिए हम हाई कोर्ट गए.
आपको चैलेंज करना चाहिए
सर हम गए, हाई कोर्ट गए, इलेक्शन
छोड़
कमीशन
कर
गए,
कितना करे आपने?
ठीक हो गया सर. लेकिन अब आपने ये देखना है कि देयर इज अ सिचुएशन इन व्हिच द इलेक्शन कमीशन, व्हिच इज द हाईएस्ट अथॉरिटी.
आप गए थे हाई कोर्ट?
जी जी, हाई कोर्ट ही भी तो हमने.
ये तो ये गए थे.
नहीं नहीं, हम गए थे रूल 94 को चैलेंज करने. We challenged-
ये आप ये जो इम्प्यून जजमेंट में आप पिटिशनर थे.
नहीं सर, I went separately challenging this explanation to Rule 94.
वही पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं.
वही
वो और हाई कोर्ट वाली
जी, जी,
फिर
वही
वो
बात, जी,
आपने ऑफिस ऑब्जेक्शन मान
जी,
लिया.
वही बात. So my submission
नहीं तो
is-
मैं आपको दोबारा सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. आप इंडिपेंडेंटली इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान का फैसला जैसे कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल ने चैलेंज किया, आपने चैलेंज किया पेशावर हाई कोर्ट में,
इलेक्शन
हाँ या ना?
जी, इलेक्शन कमीशन का फैसला आया 7 फरवरी को हमारे पास.
किया या नहीं किया सर?
नहीं किया.
बस थैंक यू, आगे बढ़.
और हम आए,
आप आगे बढ़े, कोई बात
ठीक है सर, और हम आए हाई कोर्ट के फैसले के खिलाफ कि इलेक्शन कमीशन तो वायरीज ऑफ रूल चैलेंजिंग देख ही नहीं सकता.
फिर अब अलग सवाल है, दो अलग सवाल है.
पहला प्रोपोजिशन हमने अपने कर लिया. आपका अगला प्रोपोजिशन
जी, सो मेरा प्रोपोजिशन ये है कि व्हेन दिस आर्टिकल 51(6) is interpreted, form must not defeat the essence. The purpose here is to allow a representative National Assembly to come into existence. And with great respect to my Lord Justice Munib Akhtar, my submission, my Lord, will.
Form or substance कौन से because mixing the form and substance interchange.
चले
इसी पे बात कर रहे थे. My submission is that the purpose of the proviso is to enable independents to join for the sole purpose of having weight in the election of the reserved seats, because they can join otherwise. But if their joining is to be inconsequential as far as reserved seats are to be elected, and the word is elected, then the entire purpose of placing this proviso in Article 51(6)
सलमान साहब इसी
is lost.
आपसे पहले एक सवाल पूछा, इसका जवाब नहीं आ रहा. वो let's look at it differently. For a minute, let's assume that SIC is not a political party for this purpose. My stress is on the proportional representation. My understanding of it so far is that proportional representation means whatever they have won, they get that much, not a extra seat.
Including the independents.
Including the, so in this case, just want to understand that if SIC were not a political party, the political parties will get exactly what they won, uske ratio percentum pe unko mil gaya, باقی جو ووٹس ہوں گے وہ کہاں جائیں گے, ریزرو سیٹس کہاں جائیں گے؟
I take guidance from an observation by my Lord Justice Atar Manila. What if all members elected were independents?
آپ ہم سے کوشچن نہ کریں, جواب
میں ان کا
پھر اس کا جواب دے
So,
دیں.
therefore, what would happen?
Yes.
So, my Lord had correctly asked that if everybody were to be an independent
Right.
in the National Assembly, and that's a theoretical possibility,
Right.
where would the reserved seats go?
Right.
And my answer is they will go to no one.
So that's unrepresented
Therefore,
رہیں گے.
yes, then it will have
So
to.
that's
So
the
there is a lacuna here which needs to be.
دیکھیے, پہلی بات بہت خطرناک چیز ہوتی ہے اگر سپریم کورٹ مفروضوں پہ کیسے اسٹائل کرے. ہمارے سامنے ایک کیس آیا ہے,
اس کیس میں issue نہیں ہے.
اس میں رہیے, اگر دوسرا اس کے وہ نوعیت کا کیس آئے گا ہم اس کا فیصلہ آج نہیں سنائیں گے.
بالکل ٹھیک ہے. So my position is that in the facts of this case, this issue does not arise.
Raja Saab, only for my understandings, though the 2nd February 2024, where the Election Commission has grossly misinterpreted this court's judgment, can this court does not have the power to at least say that it is per incurium? And if it is per incurium and it is declared, then you see it resolves all this issue.
Yes, and if I may take this further, I'm going to very quickly go through 14 judgments, 2 lines each. In Benazir Bhutto's second case, PLD 89, Supreme Court 66, this court...
تب آپ ایک ان کینڈیڈیٹس میں تو نہیں ہے جو آزاد بقول آپ کے آزاد جیتے تھے.
نہیں یہ ریزرو
نہیں سر,
آپ ریزرو سے تو آپ ان کی آرگومنٹس کیسے ان کے لیے کر رہے ہیں؟
سر میں ایک کوشچن آف لا آپ کر رہا ہوں, آپ کو ہولسٹک ایک انڈرسٹینڈنگ کانسٹیٹیوشن کی
بنایا جائے
سر,
کینڈیڈیٹ.
کانسٹیٹیوشن کی
ہمیں صرف کہہ دیتے ہیں آپ ان کو بنا.
سر ہم کانسٹیٹیوشن کو پڑھ رہے ہیں اس وقت. Kindly allow me to read the constitution holistically and then we'll come to the various remedies for each different category of petitioner. But kindly see what my Lord Justice Manila is saying. My Lord, if I may have your attention. In PLD 89, Supreme Court 66, while deciding the case, there the issue was that an amendment was made to the Political Parties Act 1962, whereby it was said that political parties will be allotted symbols on the basis of lots. The symbols will be plucked out of a hat and given to different political parties. While examining that question, whether that amendment was lawful or not, the court looked at various rules and regulations and gave decisions regarding various rules, regulations, provisions which it felt came in the way of Article 17. So there is nothing stopping your lordships from examining the question of Rule 94 all over again. Your lordships have power under Article 187 to do complete justice, whatever question
Mr.
of law.
Salman, that brings us to what Justice Atar Manila is saying earlier, and I think it was echoed otherwise also. Maybe you could have just started off by saying, if there is any possibility, and I would like to hear and understand that in the, under the rubric of complete justice, do you think this matter could be considered in that context? آپ نے تو اس طرف آئے نہیں نا, آپ تو اپنی بحث کی بات شروع کر دی. آپ ہمیں یہ پوری ہوlistic یونیک سچویشن کو ہم کمپلیٹ جسٹس کو انووک کر سکتے ہیں. آئی ایم ناٹ کلیئر, بٹ اس پہ تو آپ بات ہی نہیں کرتے.
میں کر رہا ہوں سر, میں آ رہا ہوں. دیکھیں,
کب آئیں گے؟
میں شروع ہوا ہوں جو ایک سچویشن ہے کہ we were treated as independents and we've joined SIC.
اگر سپوز
یاد دلا رہا ہوں پورا 1 گھنٹہ ہو گیا.
Sir, I'm very grateful. Sir,
اگر سپوز ہم
آپ نے ابھی بھی اس پہ نہیں آنا تھا اگر ہم آپ کو.
سر میں نے ریٹن نوٹ بنایا ہے.
تو آپ ہمیں سمجھائیے کہ اس سارے اسکوپ کو کھولنے کے لیے کیا ہم اس کو انووک کر سکتے ہیں یا نہیں کر سکتے.
میں نے سر یہ اسی لیے پیپر بک بنائی تھی جو میں آپ کو دے رہا ہوں ججمنٹس کی.
آپ کہہ رہے کر سکتے ہیں, سپوز ہم نے کر لیا, سپوز ہم کرتے ہیں تو اس کا کیا ریزلٹ
اس کا نتیجہ یہ ہوگا کہ پی ٹی آئی کے نامینیشن پیپرز جنہوں نے فائل کیے, پیپل ہو ڈکلیئرڈ themselves PTI in their nomination papers, they should be treated as PTI. And we say that whatever has happened subsequently...
No one is before us amongst them. وہ آ کے بات ہی نہیں کر رہے, وہ کہہ رہے ہم نہیں جانا چاہتے ہیں. وہ تو
کوئی ایسا نہیں کہہ رہا سر, آپ جسٹس کر سکتے ہیں.
پھر دوسری بات یہ ہوگی اس کے ساتھ جو بار بار اچھی بات ہے کہ آپ نے یہ بات کر دی, کیونکہ فیصل زندگی صاحب کو کانفلکٹ نظر نہیں آ رہا تھا, تو پھر سنی اتحاد کاؤنسل 0 ممبر پارٹی ہو جائے گی, یقیناً خوش نہیں ہوگی نا,
وہ ناراض بھی نہیں ہوں گے.
نہیں تو اب یہ دیکھیے نا, یہ دیکھیں ہم آئین پہ چلتے ہیں, یہ بہت بڑا آپ کا کانفلکٹ ہے, آپ لوگ اس کو ریلائز
سلمان صاحب اس کو ایک سیکنڈ اپریشیٹ کر لیں کہ ہم جو آپ سے کمپلیٹ جسٹس کی بات کہہ رہے ہیں, جس عطا ملن نے بھی ذکر کیا پہلے, وی انڈرسٹینڈ دی امپورٹینس آف دس میٹر, بٹ پھر اس میں آپ پرابلمس دیکھیں نا. ہم کمپلیٹ جسٹس محمد خلیل صاحب نے کہا ہم اس طرف چلتے ہیں, فار ایگزامپل, پھر آپ آگے دیکھیں کانڈکٹ. پی ٹی آئی ہمارے سامنے نہیں ہے, انڈیپینڈنٹس نے ایفیڈیوٹس دے کے کہا ہے کہ ہم نہیں ہیں جی, ہم انڈیپینڈنٹس ہیں, ہم نئی پارٹی پی ٹی آئی کے ساتھ. کہاں لے جائیں گے سارے اسٹیپس؟ ایک سیکنڈ سن لینا, وہ کہاں لے جائیں گے؟ اور پھر آپ اور فیصل صاحب دونوں SIC کی بریف پہ کھڑے ہیں. تو ہم سارا کمپلیٹ جسٹس ہوا میں ہو رہا ہوگا, کیسے ہوگا, ہمیں سمجھ نہیں آ رہی ہے.
اگر وہ سب ہمارے سامنے ہوتے یہاں پہ رونا
کوئی بھی
دھونا
پلیئر ہی نہیں ہے کمپلیٹ جسٹس کو کمپلیٹ کرنے کے
یہ
لیے.
جتنے لوگ ہیں انڈیپینڈنٹ جس کو کہہ رہے ہیں, وہ اگر آج ہم سب ہمارے سامنے ہوتے, سامان سب سننے, آج اگر ہمارے سامنے ہوتے رونا دھونا کر دیتے, مجبوری بتا دیتے کہ ہمیں اس مجبوری کے تحت گئے, اس مجبوری کے تحت, پھر بھی تو کوئی بات ہوتی.
کل فائل کر سکتے ہیں 184.
کس نے منع کیا؟
We have to do justice here. This is a very important.
Next point.
Emotional speech is one thing and legal argument is a separate thing.
Legal argument.
We are telling you
Go on with the
repeatedly.
next
ٹھیک ہو
point.
گیا سر, we'll consider this and we may file a petition.
No, you
under 184.
please.
وہ تم کر
آپ
سکتے ہیں.
اپنا کیس آرگیو کریں.
جی. So my case so far before your lordships is this.
ہاں
Sir, my case that I've submitted.
نہیں, ہم نے 3 points نوٹ کیے, چوتھا بتائیے.
نہیں سر, میں پھر ذرا سمرائز کر دوں. 3 پوائنٹ میرے یہ ہیں.
وہ ہم نوٹ کر لیے, ڈونٹ سمرائز. Point, give the next point if there is any.
So my submission is that the clauses D and E provide a framework for election to the reserved seats, and the weight to be given to each political party is the weight that each political party has in the National Assembly after the independents have joined it. And the word each must be interpreted in order to give effect to the purpose, which is that those who are there in the National Assembly as members, their presence must not be futile. So if we say that this only applies to those who have joined a party with at least one member, then what do we see? So if 87 people joined one member, 88 have weight. But if those 87 join each other, form a new party or join a party which has no member, those 87 lose weight entirely.
So summing up your argument, the political party need not have contested election. It could be off the shelf and you bring it and join it. یہ بات سمجھ آ گئی. اور دوسرے میں یہ کہہ رہے ہیں کہ اگر یہ پولیٹیکل پارٹی نہیں ہے اور ان ریپرزینٹیڈ رہ گئے تو رہ سکتے ہیں.
جی. And
ٹھیک ہے.
the reason I say this is that the entire structure of the jurisprudence laid down by this court based on Article 17, since at least Nawaz Sharif's case, or even earlier Benazir Bhutto's case, in fact 88 Supreme Court and then 89, is that political parties are to be encouraged. So I would submit that Article 51(6)(d) and E is an expression of that intent, that purpose within the Constitution, that political parties should be within Parliament. And in order to encourage independents to join or form a political party,
لیکن یہاں پہ تو آپ ڈسکریج کر رہے ہیں ان پولیٹیکل پارٹیز کو جنہوں نے عوام سے ووٹ لیے ہیں.
نہیں سر, ڈسکریج نہیں کر رہے.
اس میں جائیں
نہیں سر, ان کو یہ کہہ رہے ہیں کہ تم انڈیپینڈنٹ مت رہو, join some party.
some party in the parliament, not
No, یہ
outside the
کہاں لکھا
parliament.
ہوا ہے ان پارلیمنٹ میں؟ یہ صرف سوال ہے.
One on a slight technical note, you cannot speak even on behalf of PTI. You are engaged by a Ms. Kamal Shahzad.
Sir, I also speak as an officer of the court interpreting the Constitution.
اب اتنا تو نہ کریں نا. You have not even bothered to array PTI as a party, which is very surprising. How can you speak on their behalf? I don't know what
Sir,
they want or don't want.
Sir, I'm speaking on behalf of the Constitution now. I'm submitting.
Speaking for myself, I wanted you to argue the case as an amicus. But then I was told that no, because you have personally contested, so you can't be an amicus. So please, یہ آپ نہ بولیں. You have a brief, please آپ اپنے brief پہ رکھیں.
میں brief میں یہ سب آ رہا ہے. I'm not saying anything which contradicts my position in my petition. I'm submitting.
آپ کی پٹیشنر کیا چاہ رہی ہے ذرا یہ بتا دیں.
میری پٹیشنر دو باتوں کے لیے تیار ہے. Either we be treated or she be treated as a PTI candidate and the PTI list that was filed.
چلیں ہم آپ کی پہلی پریئر مان لیتے ہیں کہ آپ پی ٹی آئی کینڈیڈیٹ. ٹھیک ہے.
ایک منٹ, then it will follow for everybody else that whoever filed as a PTI candidate should be treated as a PTI member of National Assembly, and the list that was filed in December, that list be allowed to be supplemented, in which case, according to the law, we would add to that list and members would get elected. That is one way forward.
Can we direct any party to give affiliation to any person?
No, one way would be to declare us as PTI because our nomination papers are PTI.
You are.
That's a declaration then that despite the Election Commission's order,
Any declaration?
Mr. Salman, if I may.
the Election Commission's order is in the
If I
way.
may interrupt you and ask a question from Mr. Faisal Siddiqui. That this prayer that is now being made before us, would you oppose it or would you accept it? Assuming that the court makes such a declaration.
What is the prayer?
that we be treated as PTI, and our original list that PTI filed, that list be treated as a list for section 104, and we be allowed to add to that list.
prayer class पढ़ लें सर
Where is this prayer?
prayer पढ़ लें सर
Let's see how you can respond to it without seeking instructions.
No, I can respond.
Would you accept it or would you?
But is this the prayer? Because
No. Manoj, this is something your lordship can pass any order on the facts and circumstances of the case. This is something that is
पहले prayer पढ़ लें अपनी
my first response, my lord, is this is not the prayer.